Beko washing machine leaking front door is metal spring/ring has come out, don't know how to put back.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Have you got the door seal lipped onto the washer still where the metal ring goes? Regards.
The door seal is still in situ as only one ring is off, looks like it is in the original place.
Okay, that ring streaches around the door seal when you open the door. It donest matter where the spring is on the seal, but insert one side of the spring into the gap on the seal and then streach the other around the seal going over the top. You may need to either get someone to hold the spring side, or what do is hold it in place with my knee. Then when it starts to get tight, you need to use a small flat screwdriver and use this to push the metal clamp in or streach the spring. Do it all the way round to the other side where you get to the other side of the spring, and then that should keep it in place. Try that and see what happens and let me know. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.